matter won't be say dey happen sef for this world we no dey know where be say we wan go again we think say we don hear we come see say the one be say we don hear we never hear anything. The one also we come see hear come be the one say come big pass the one be say we don hear. This one so this story so na very 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 important story. Married men una need to open una ear make una take hear word well. Married women too una still need to open una ear to take hear word well, especially una won't be say be married men. So you get wife for house, wife born children for you. You say your wife e no reach you do. See na the one be say dey for outside na reach you do. Na things wey be say dey happen so. This one so e go serve as big warning and big lesson to una. You think say the one be say dey for outside na good pass. Your wife wey be say dey for inside house wey be say don follow you suffer, follow you achieve. You don get pikin, you don get work, you don get money, you don get plenty things wey be say God take bless you with. You can't see the one we say can't dey for outside. That can be the super power, the biscuits when it's sweet well. Now the things we say they happen for outside, so the things we say they happen for this world. So this particular story so go let you rethink twice. Go let you sit down, make you evaluate your life and make you evaluate yourself. My name is Sonia, aka Gist na Food. If na your very first time you come my channel be this, make you not forget to subscribe and make you turn on that post notification bell so that anytime when I upload new video, now you go be the first bang. Won't be say go no say I don't see upload new video again. See, make I gist you. This matter not just be any other matter on a true life story. It happen for Nigeria Korokoro for this year. For June 13. This man, his name na Ataga. This man, so he get money pieces. Money no be a problem. In short, this man I even CEO and founder of one company, now one TV station wey they call Super TV station. This man, so he marry happily married man with children. It thinks it dey better well for this man. So this man, his wife and the children dey for Abuja because of the way we say his company take dey boom now. He can't need to come get flat for Lagos. So you know the way we say doctor say na distance now wife not there around. I need to enjoy myself. I don't need to stress myself over wife matter. I need to enjoy myself. I need to change washing machine water. You know now I can't go meet this girl. This girl, I love you, I do this, I do this, I dig you. This girl, very young girl. You say him begin love the girl. The counter say okay fine. The one begin meet for the cocoa. Me they tell do the cocoa. You know what I mean? So the counter say okay, as be like this so. He no one invite the girl over to him Banana Island because na Banana Island and this man they stay so. So he can invite this girl. Make this girl now they can go rent one place when they call Airbnb. You know the way that Airbnb be, it be like, for example, if you get a house and you come put your house for internet, say anybody will say want come the house, they'll come pay small amount of money, will be say non rich like the one of it pay if you go lodge hotel. Because say this one a popular man, this man you no want go hotel, you no want go any place public with this particular Oshiri will be saying get so you can't decide to go Airbnb. You know take go do the cocoa will be say yeah no go take put here, will be say I no go take see, but they not say for this life so nothing will be say they do for secret, will be say no they come out openly. You know say this particular small girl so he dali so don't already plan a death make I gist you, aka Gist na Food. Now need to learn from this. Not being as they can't reach this place finish now. After I don't do the cocoa and everything now, you don't know say this girl don't already plan for us. Egbe na soldier. This girl, you carry this man, carry knife, take gear ram. Carry knife, take shuku ram. As you do the thing finish now, the girl now can't run, you can't base. They say even before them self now so money can't they disappear from this man account. Say this man money they smell like witch. This man money they smell like shit. Shit no even smell it. Small time. 5 million come up for your account. Small time. 1 million come up for your account. Small time. 2 million come up for your account. So money can't they disappear. Make a gist to now. Aka Gist na Food. See, not be no do now. A wife will be say dey for Abuja. They can't they expect because this thing so now on the 13th. Now this man so take lodge this house so with this girl so. And this man so now he birthday day on the 18th. You know that kind of a thing now be say wife don dey plan say birthday me and my husband go celebrate the birthday go tough well that's why say maybe say dey for Lagos, me dey for Abuja, we go do the birthday in a way. This wife on the 18th come reach, this woman come dey wait oh, e no hear call from your husband, e no hear go, e no hear come from your husband. This woman come begin dey panic oh. Then they come begin trace am, they come go trace am reach the bank account, say money dey disappear. They come go trace am reach where be say e take go lodge house. Now so investigation don begin dey go on now. Police don begin dey put their leg for ground, begin dey waka. And meanwhile this wife so, if you see this wife now, the wife fine finish. The koko be say the wife no be even small pikin sef. Unto say the wife money see dey smell too. To even come crown it all sef, this wife so he see dey work for Nigeria National Petroleum Corporation. You know wetin e be? NNPC. The wife na manager too. The wife money so grand gidigba. So you can't tell me now, so now this man don't go for life because of wetin happen. Say sugar dey for outside, make him taste the sugar small. This man life it don't end. Pata. The wife now, so now you can't see now say his husband cheat on her with small pikin. We say he can't end the life. You can't tell me now the man children not go dey disappointed. No matter how it happen, this man no deserve to die like this. This man, so they say this man is strong. The way this man is strong, so it dey very impossible. When we say doctor say na that girl, so this small pikin, so this small oshere, so now go just spy this man like that. So they come begin they dig go, they come begin they dig deep. They come begin see say, apart from say this man and this oshere when we say for that house that time, so say na only one person now come meet them, come deliver something. That man person will say come so na dispatch driver, neither person be. So they come dey wonder say na only deliver that man come deliver food though. I been like drugs. Now say the girl no well, I be the man no well. Now he can't deliver. Who can't know whether na that man bring drugs come for this girl, so make it take drug this man food? We don't know. aka this na food. Who can know whether the man he join hand with this small side chick so to take deal with this man? So aka I don't know. Na my own opinion I dey give. So my sister, my brother, wetin we dey see for all this kind of a matter? So side chick, which day all this our Nigerian men go take learn? This man so in life what am say just go like that? The worst part be say even the girl side chick so self he no get sense. So some people dey when they no get sense. See as he just take delete this man like this, so now be the best option for am. They say they get sugar daddy, which is I not support am. Anything premarital affair or say you go dey follow another man wife, I not dey in support of it at all. But say you dey friend this man, not be you go take get more from this man. They talk say, darling, I need money for this, darling, I need money for that. Not be you go take get more from this man. So you can't think say now if you can't delete this man, now you want to get now. You see now, so now investigation that they go on now. Definitely now based on say this man so get connection, his wife so get connection. Definitely the man go see get friends and go see get family. When go see get connection, they must see find root, because you know see now only who get connection for Nigeria and they find root of what be say kill the person. Tell me, when they go come end your own life now? This side chick, so what you see for this life, you can't think say that to come carry or to come carry another woman wife, another woman husband, or to come buy another woman husband simply because of money. This money, so where did they find now they go? Don't be surprised. This side chick, so if you collect this money finish, now one kind small boy go still go they spend the money for, or if you not pass that one, now if you buy cloth, you post them for social media. If you buy cloth, you put them for Facebook, maybe friends will say you don't come with the new latest. Anyway, my sister and my brother, you know say AKGs na food. Now the one we say I just come for, now be this one. So anything we say you see for this matter, so advice we say you get for married men and married women for this matter, so make you not forget for leave on for the comment section below. And anything we say you think for this video, not forget to leave on for the comment section.